family. Today, we're revealing the top 5 most liked drones on Amazon. From breathtaking 4K video to advanced obstacle avoidance, these drones have it all. Ready to see which drones made the cut? Let's dive in and take to the skies. Number 5 on our list, we dive into the exciting world of drones with the incredible Holystone HS600. If you're a drone enthusiast, you'll want to stick around for this one. The Holystone HS600 is not just any drone, it's packed with features that will blow your mind. First, we have a stunning 4K camera with a Sony CMOS sensor. That means crystal clear images and ultra-high definition video every time you take to the skies. But what's a great camera without stability? The HS600 has you covered with a 2-axis gimbal and electronic image stabilization. Say goodbye to shaky footage and hello to smooth, professional quality video, no matter where you're flying. Worried about flight time? Don't worry! The HS600 comes with not 1, not 2, but 3 batteries, giving you 84 minutes of flight time. That's more than enough to capture all the breathtaking moments you desire. And let's talk about range. This beast offers an image transmission range of 3 kilometers. Whether you're exploring wide-open landscapes or capturing cityscapes from above, the HS600 keeps you connected and in control. And it doesn't stop there. The HS600 is equipped with smart GPS flight modes, making it perfect for beginners and professionals alike. With features like tracking mode and waypoint mode, your drone will do the hard work while you focus on getting that perfect shot. Meet the Blind S7 GPS drone, your ultimate companion for capturing breathtaking 4K night vision shots and exploring the skies like never before. FAA certified and ready to fly, the Blind S7 complies with all regulations. Just unpack, and you're good to go. Capture stunning 4K video with a 120 degrees FOV lens and a 3-axis gimbal for ultimate stability. Perfect for recording unforgettable night scenes. Fly longer with 75 minutes of total flight time across 3 intelligent batteries. Perfect for extended adventures. Conquer the skies with ease, even at 2,000 m altitudes and in strong winds. The Blind S7 remains stable, capturing ultra-clear videos and photos. With smart GPS, your drone returns automatically when the battery is low or the signal is lost. Enjoy features like Follow Me, Path Planning, and Circle Flight. Share your incredible FPV views instantly on social media via the app. Add filters and music to make your footage even more amazing. Meet our number 3 drone, the X Pro Limitless 5-camera drone, your ultimate partner for capturing the world in stunning 4K UHD quality. This drone lets you explore farther than ever before with advanced 360 degrees obstacle avoidance and a 3-mile flight range. With GPS accuracy and auto return home, your drone will always find its way back, even in low battery or signal loss situations. Enjoy 30 minutes of flight time with a powerful 5,000 mAh battery and brushless motors for less noise and unmatched control. Shoot cinematic 4K UHD video with 3-axis gimbal and enhanced stability. Dual cameras provide versatile shooting angles. Control with intuitive gestures and dynamic Follow Me technology for mesmerizing shots. Activate surround mode for spectacularly engaging trajectories. Meet number 2 on our list, the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Weighing less than 249 grams, this compact marvel requires no registration in most countries and regions. It's designed for effortless portability, making it the perfect travel companion. Capture your world in stunning detail with 4K/60 FPS video and 48 MP stills. Thanks to the advanced camera system with dual native ISO and f/1.7 aperture, your shots will be crystal clear day or night. Need perfect portraits for social media? The redesigned DJI Mini 3 Pro delivers true vertical shooting. The gimbal rotates 90 degrees, so you can capture perfect vertical shots without compromising quality. Enjoy up to 34 minutes of flight time with the Mini 3 Pro. That's plenty of time to explore and capture all the stunning scenery around you. Fly with confidence thanks to 3-way obstacle detection and APS 4.0. The DJI Mini 3 Pro brings unparalleled safety to the Mini series, allowing you to navigate complex environments with ease. Unleash your creativity with smart features like Focus Track, Master Shots, and Time Lapse. Whether you're capturing dynamic shots or stunning time-lapse footage, this drone has you covered. The new DJI RC comes with a built-in 5.5-inch HD display preloaded with the DJI Fly app. Enjoy crisp and clear imaging even in direct sunlight. It's so easy to use. At number 1 on our list is the DJI Avata ProView Combo. Get ready to experience the thrill of flying like never before. Complete immersion and intuitive control are at your fingertips. With DJI Goggles 2 and motion controller, flying becomes an accessible and exciting adventure for everyone. Just squeeze the trigger and take off. Capture ultra-smooth 4K footage with the upgraded camera system. The 1/1.7-inch sensor and super-wide 155 degrees FOV ensure your shots are breathtakingly clear and steady. Palm-sized and agile, Avata's lightweight design makes it perfect for daring maneuvers. Fly through gaps and branches, and take it on every adventure. Be bold and fly far with an 18-minute flight time. Built-in propeller guards provide safety and flexibility, handling minor bumps while staying airborne. Experience sharp, responsive HD live streams with DJI O3 Plus video transmission, reaching up to 10 kilometers. Stay connected and in control no matter how far you fly. Transform your flying experience with compatibility for DJI Goggles 2, DJI FPV Goggles V2, and DJI Motion Controller. Each opens new possibilities for your aerial adventures. Enjoy an immersive sensory experience with intuitive hand and head movements. It's like being in the cockpit of your own drone. DJI Goggles 2 are compact and powerful, delivering crystal clear visuals in a sleek, ergonomic design. Fold them up and take them anywhere. Elevate your flight experience with the DJI Avata ProView Combo.